triangle PQR, right angle at Q. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, see the solution. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So angle Q is 90 degrees. This is given. So also given that PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. This is given. Okay. See this triangle. In triangle PQR right angle at Q. So remaining two sides PR. Okay. So here PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Now PR plus QR equals to 25. Okay. See, let QR equals to x centimeters. Then PR plus QR equals to, actually what is given, PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters. Okay. So PR plus QR value how much? X equals to 25. So PR equals to 25 minus x. Now QR value x. So this is 25 minus x. Okay. Observe that this is a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Okay. In triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degrees by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that means PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. So here the value of PQ is 5. The value of QR is x. The value of PR is 25 minus x whole square. Okay. Now this is also from a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 2ab, that equals to 5 square value 25 plus x square. Okay. Observe that here x square get cancelled. X square get cancelled. Now 25 square, right? Almost 25 square minus 225 is 50, x equals to 25. Okay. 25 square value is 625. 25 square value is 625 minus 50x equals to 25. Okay. 625. 25 is transpose left side minus 25. 50 minus 50 is transpose right side plus 50x. Okay. That equals to 625 minus 25 is 600 equals to 50x. So 600, 50 transpose to left side divided by 50 equals to x. Now 0 cancel, 5 12 times. Therefore x equals to 12 centimeters. Okay. Now QR, therefore QR equals to x equals to 12 centimeters. And PR equals to almost 25 minus x. So 25 minus x, that is 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeters. So this is 12, this is 13. Okay. Now first one is sin P. What is the sin P definition? Sin P is side opposite to P. The definition of sin P is side opposite to P over hypotenuse. So side opposite to P. What is the side opposite to P? QR. Hypotenuse is PR. QR value 12. PR value 13. This is sin P. Second one is cos P. Cos P means side adjacent to P over hypotenuse. Side adjacent to P over hypotenuse. Side adjacent to P by hypotenuse. So side adjacent to P is PQ. Hypotenuse is PR. PQ value how much? PQ value 5. PR value 13. Next. Last one is tan P. Tan P means what? side opposite to P, side opposite to P by side adjacent to P. Side opposite to P is QR. Side adjacent to P is PQ. QR value how much? QR value 12. PQ value 5.